how I deal with imposter syndrome is that I'm never complacent. Never akong makumpiyansa talaga. Kasi I have to constantly show up, not proving to them na, like not proving my worth to them naman as a leader, but proving to myself that I'm capable of leading a team who are older than me. And that imposes several challenges as well. But for me, yung mindset shift na I am put here for a reason is really important. And that, yun talaga yung pinakahawakan ko. Meron din kasing the law of lid. The law of lid meaning the effectiveness of your organization cannot go greater than your effectiveness as a leader. So if your effectiveness as a leader is an 8, your organization cannot go greater than 7. So for me, I'm constantly learning, I'm going to school, I'm here learning from you guys from this mentorship with Lazada and She Talks Asia in order to lead my team well and show up every day talaga.